guys, welcome back to another video. I didn't think we needed an intro, so we're just gonna go ahead and hop straight in. As you can see, I'm putting down a barrier, just a normal towel, nothing special. I would highly recommend to get something that you really don't care about. Now, before I show you guys my nails, really quick story. My lovely daughter, if you guys don't know my daughter, here she is, Lily. She decided to drop wax on my floor, so I spent a nice 45 minutes to an hour scraping up wax off of my marble floors with baby oil. Thank God everything came up. So the first thing you're going to need is 100% acetone. This is very strong, so please be careful. I'm also going to be using like these little cotton pads that I got from when I got my belly button pierced a year ago. I can use these instead of throwing them away. They're going to work the same instead of just using cotton balls. And I also have aluminum foil. So you're going to go ahead and tear this aluminum foil up into like little squares. The same thing that you see when you go inside of the nail salon. They have them cut in like little squares. Just going to pour a nice amount of acetone onto the cotton pad, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap my gel nails into the cotton pad, and I'm going to wrap it up with aluminum foil. This is very important to do instead of scraping off, because that will damage your nail bed. You never want to scrape off regular gel nails. And I'm going to show you one more just so you can see. Go ahead and soak up the cotton pad, cotton ball, whatever you use, and just wrap your nails inside. We're going to go ahead and let these sit for about 10 minutes. That's going to go ahead and get the gel nice and soft. Here is my little $5 manicure kit I got from Walmart. Super convenient. I am going to be using my nail filer that is out of the packet, just because I can see the nail filer inside the packet is like really flimsy, and I hate those type of nail filers. They really get me frustrated. So inside of the little manicure kit, it comes with these wooden sticks, and I'm using not the like toothpick side, but I'm using the edge side that has like a bevel, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my time and scrape off the gel nail polish. And you guys know they do the same thing at the nail salon. And I'm just, wiping away as I scrape. And when I get to a point that I see where it's hard to scrape, that means it's not soft yet. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it back up and put it back inside of the aluminum foil and let it sit for probably like a minute while I move on to the next nail. And then I'll just keep doing this process across all of my nails. Here is a look at the little tool that I'm using. Like I said, it is like an edge shape type thing. It has a little bevel, and I'm just using that to scrape off the nail polish once it is soft and it's easy to come off. So here are my nails afterwards. They're not bad, guys. Let's go ahead and get started with our manicure. I'm just gonna go ahead and start to clean up my area because it was like messy. It had like all the polish and stuff and all the aluminum foil. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting prepped for my actual mani. This is a plastic bowl that I'm going to be using. I got it from the dollar store, and I just filled up my little bowl with warm water and Dove soap. Nothing special, it's just to get my skin soft. You never want to do a manicure on hard, dry skin. This is the cuticle softener I'm going to be using, and of course I have my little manicure kit. I'm gonna let them sit for maybe like a minute or two, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some cuticle softener on each nail. And the directions said to put it on, let it sit for 15 seconds, and then your cuticles will be soft. I personally like this cuticle softener. I think it did a really good job of helping me, of course, push my cuticles back. So I'm just going to be taking the same side that I used to scrape up my gel nail polish. I'm gonna go ahead and dry my thumb just using the towel on the desk, and I'm going to use this little plier cutter looking thing. I have no idea, but this is the main part of a manicure, is getting rid of all of that extra skin. So here's a close-up. You see that my cuticles are pushed back and they're really soft, and I'm just literally cutting away the skin on my nail, and you can tell the difference. You'll definitely tell the difference once I paint my nails, how like nice my cuticles are now. A tip for you guys is to put your finger on the table, but turn it to the side and like put pressure on it so it can kind of push back the skin for you. I don't know if I explained that correctly, but it helps a lot because you are doing a manicure on yourself, so you have to like find little tricks to help you. And you can see the skin building up. You can tell my skin is nice and soft because my skin is just coming right up. So now we're going to go ahead and buff our nails. We're going to buff them while they're still soft. This makes it, of course, more easy to go ahead and get that skin that like grows on the nail. If you guys know what I'm talking about, it like comes up white when it's dry. So perfect time to go ahead and buff the nails while they're still soft. So I'm just gonna go back in with the little plier thingies and, you know, just touch up. I'm just, you know, going back and forth. It's kind of like makeup, like you keep going in because you find like little imperfections. Now it's time to go ahead and cut my nails. I love short nails, especially with this virus going around, y'all. Please cut your nails short. Listen, pathogens live under your nails, guys. Keep your nails nice and short. And I love a square nail, so I'm just going to bluntly cut it. And then eventually I'm going to file. Going ahead and filing. I'm getting the top, getting the sides. I'm also going to go in with this, like, I don't even know what these tools are called, guys. This is horrible. I'm sorry, but I'm going in with this thing. Y'all know what this thing is. It's to get all the dirt from underneath your nails. That's what I'm doing. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'm not going to show you guys my other hand because that's just like, you know, extra time, and I did the same thing, but I did want to show you guys this clip. You literally see the skin coming up, and I feel like it's so satisfying to see. I don't know, maybe I'm weird. Okay, so once we're finished that part, just go ahead and wash your hands, no soap, because we don't want any like soap residue. And we're gonna go ahead and begin the painting process. So you guys, unfortunately I could not get my hands on a gel kit because they're sold out. I guess everyone knows that the pandemic's going on. They're gonna have to do their nails at home, so literally every kit is sold out. It's okay. So right now I'm going in with a base coat. Luckily the clear polish that I have, it is a base coat and it is a top coat, which is good because I save money. One product, 2-in-1. I love it. So I'm just going in with this base coat, and that's going to be my base. I'm putting it on before I put my polish on. Now, a lot of you could stop here. You could just either one, of course, put no polish on, totally up to you. Or you can stop at the little shiny base coat, also up to you. Or you could also do like a strengthening nail polish. I really, really love those, especially those of you who are taking off acrylics. That is super nice because it has calcium in it, which will help strengthen and help your nails grow. Whichever one you choose to do is totally up to you, but I'm just going to be painting my nails because I am still in nursing school, but I'm online, so I'm like really excited to see some color on my hands. And I got my gels done when the pandemic first started, so now I feel like I'm a regular person, just getting regular colors on my hands again. If you guys know me, you guys know I love black nail polish. I live for black nail polish. I never thought I would, but I absolutely love it. So tips when painting your nails, guys: go slow. I am a right-hander. I'm right-handed. Of course, I'm fine when I do my left hand because that's my dominant hand. But when it comes to my left hand doing my right hand, it is hard. So I highly recommend you go slow. Don't rush. Take your time. There's no rush. Take your time. Make sure you're in a calm environment. when you're painting your nails, especially when you're doing your non-dominant hand, because it's so hard. I really want to get my hands on a gel nail kit because after I did this manicure for you guys, I'm trying to figure out how I've been spending like $140 each month on my nail. Let me know if you guys want to see a gel nail kit like tutorial once I finally get my hands on one. I know Amazon has them, but they're not going to be shipped out until the end of April. So here's a really nice trick. This is to make your nails look perfect. So take that acetone and take like an angled brush. So this was a makeup brush, but I turned it into a nail brush. Push your skin back again with another finger, and you're just going to go ahead and clean up those edges. That is going to make a huge difference. It's going to make it look like you're a professional. Did 1 coat of the base, I did 3 coats of the black, and then I did 3 coats of the top coat. And again, the base and the top coat was the same nail polish. So yeah, I wanted the color to, of course, really show up. I wanted the black to be very vivid. Did go ahead and do 3 coats. So now I'm just applying my top coat, and like I said, I'm going to do it 3 times. And then that is it. Here is the finished product of my nail, guys. I cannot believe I did this. I am so happy and I'm so satisfied with it. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and file the edges. Guys, I'm so satisfied with this. And again, let me know if you guys want to see a gel manicure tutorial from me. I'll be super happy to put it together. And that is all, you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Mwah!